She's gonna hit her.
She's gonna hurt
She's
herself.
like, she's gonna be sore tomorrow.
I guess. Unbelievable. Oh.
She is wild.
She's so fast.
Do you have video? That is a video.
Watch out, Belle.
Chelsea?
You'll be the next victim. Ooh. On The Price is Maya. Oh!
Ooh.
Get Maya.
Man, if only it was just like, if only it was like a foot longer. Oh no!
Somebody go get her!
Jeez. How is she gonna do that for us?
She looks like she's walking. Watch her lift off the ground.
Unbelievable, Maya. Enough already.
I don't know who's gonna win.
The rope or Maya?
Maya, come on. Give it.
Look at her face.
Look at
Oh, what are the odds she's stuck? No, she keeps going for a better grip. She is, and she's happy. Look at her tail. Unbelievable. I'll show you.
It looks
Oh.
like she's just walking on her hind feet.
Unbelievable. Oh, she's tiring out. She is gonna sleep tonight.
Or she's going
Yeah. Oh, wow. You going? She had a really good.
Maya,
Wait,
stop.
Chelsea, move back. She had somehow she got her grip on the handle part that last time.
Maya,
Chelsea, back up.
I want to swing
You
it.
gotta get back. Get back.
That's how you get hurt. She almost took your eye out last time. She's so playful.
Boy, you need to put one of those up in the backyard for her.
She can just entertain herself.
Maya,
Chelsea,
I want
stay.
to stop her so I can.
Don't. She's having fun.
She is gonna sleep like a log. You about done, Maya? You about done, Maya? Chelsea, be warned. She's not done.
Maya, come here.
Look at her.
You want to go for us?
She's just catching her breath.
You need to get a little. If that shows up, you gotta get a little.